Welcome all of you to Ecovision Academy. Those days are gone when you have to create student attendance tracker manually. Suppose the students are coming to the school and you are keeping the records daily. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You are maintaining the records on a notebook or on a page. That will be very much difficult to fetch out and calculate the total attendance on a daily basis. If you have to do it, it will be very much difficult. So for that, now we can actually create student attendance tracker in Excel by applying very useful and very easy some of the applications. So suppose I have a student tracker that I have already prepared. In this student attendance tracker, I have just put the roll numbers here, the student Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday are now put here. Now to create the check boxes, what can I do? I can actually go to the developer tab. If you go to the developer tab, you will find the option called insert. You click on insert, you will find the option of checkbox. Okay, after clicking on checkbox, it will basically show you to insert checkbox. You just take the checkbox, and after taking the checkbox, I don't want this text to be present here. I don't want the checkbox 103, this entire text should not be present here. So what will I do? I will basically remove the text. So I have removed the text. Now I will take the checkbox in the first cell as per Monday. Just a minute. Yeah. So the first cell, that is Monday, I will take the checkbox in that cell. After taking the checkbox in that cell, what will I do? I will just copy the cell, or I can drag down the cell. You can do the both. You will see that all the cells will now be filled with the checkboxes. Now you just drag down the cell to the horizontal portion of the Excel sheet, and you will find the checkboxes will be present in all the cells. Now you have created the student attendance tracker in Excel in a very applicative way. So now suppose if I consider Amit, I am taking the attendance for the day of Monday. Amit is present. Suppose Ram present, Rakesh present, Sham not present, Prakash not present, Raja present, Sumit present, Kalli present, Araman present, Hardik not present. In this way you can actually take the attendance, and it will be a very useful and easy way to take the attendance of the students and keep the data maintained, keep the student attendance record maintained. To learn such applicative things in advanced Excel, in Power BI, Python, machine learning, deep learning, data science, you can connect to Ecovision Academy. Our YouTube channel Ecovision Academy, our LinkedIn page is also there, our Facebook page is also there. You can connect to that, and to enroll in any of our courses such as Advanced Excel, Power BI, SQL, Python, machine learning, you can connect to this number. You can call or text this number. Okay, thank you.